Highgrove Library and Cerrito Library presents Storytime Online.
Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Miss Lynette, and today we're going to be reading Catfish Kate and the Sweet Swamp Band by Sarah Weeks, illustrated by Elwood H. Smith. This book was read with permission by Simon and Scooster. Let's begin. Catfish Kate and the Sweet Swamp Band. Catfish Kate made up a little tune. She hummed it and she strummed it underneath the moon. Along came a newt, toodle-oodling a flute. Together they began to hum and strum and toodle-oot. Snake slid by with a rattle of her tail. Gator got her sax and the band began to wail. Hum, strum, rattle, rattle, toodle-oodle croon. Sweet swamp music underneath the moon. Skeeter buzzed with a jazz violin. Spider sat beside her and the joint began to spin. Hum, strum, rattle, rattle, toodle, oodle, croon. Scritch, scratch, zing, zang, underneath the moon. But Catfish Kate was not the only one who came to the swamp that night to have some fun. Skink and his skunk-tail boys liked to read. A nice, quiet spot was exactly what they'd need. Hum, strum, rattle, rattle, toodle, oodle, croon. Uh-oh, trouble underneath the moon. Out stepped Skink and his skunk-tail boys. Stop that hum, strum, toodle, oodle noise. No more scritch, scratch, don't even try it. This is our swamp and we want quiet. This swamp's not yours. We've got a right to play. If you don't like our music, then you can go away. Someone's got to go, but it won't be us. Shall we call you girls a cab, or would you rather take the bus? Squabble, bicker, differ, feud. Not a pretty tune. What's going to happen underneath the moon? Then Kate said, wait, there has to be a way. For you to have your quiet while we still get to play, we have to find a compromise. That's what we need to do. Psst. What's a compromise? I don't know. Do you? Kate took a swamp girls and led them all away. Skink hollered, look, boys, they're giving up. Hooray! Was it really true? Was she really giving in? Would the swamp girls lose? Would the skunk boys win? Fluff, puff, fuzzy stuff. Pick enough, and soon something might surprise you underneath the moon. Look, boys, Skink cried. The girls are coming back. Watch out! They're making fists. They're going to attack. We're going to play our music, Skink. But if it's noise you hear, kindly take this cattail fluff and stuff it in your ear. Hum, strum, rattle, rattle, toodle, oodle, croon, happily ever after, underneath the moon. What? Hum, strum, rattle, rattle, toodle, oodle, croon, happily ever after, underneath the moon. The end. Until next time, friends, thank you for joining. Bye-bye. Hi, little critters. Today we're going to be making a banjo. Get all your materials ready. You will need 1 strip of cardstock, 1 square of cardstock, a square of black construction paper. You'll be turning into a circle, yarn any color of your choosing, glue, a marker pen, scissors, a hole puncher, 7 brass plated paper fasteners, and lastly a paper plate. Step 1. Drawing the strut. Grab your cardboard/cardstock square, and with your pen you will be drawing the strut of the banjo. An hourglass shape with 4 circles, 1 circle on each corner, and circles on the outside of the outline as well. If you please to add detail, go on, little critters. Step 2. Draw a rectangle with 3 circles on the cardstock as well. Step 3. Cut it out. Let's grab our scissors, making sure our parent or guardian is around, of course. Carefully cut the outline of the strut out. Once that is done, cut out the rectangle strip with the 3 circles. Step 4. Punch holes with the hole puncher in the rectangle. 3 holes in a straight line. Next, punch holes in the circles in the corners of the strut. Step 5. Grab your paper plate and scissors. Fold the paper plate slightly and cut a straight line through the paper plate. Not too large, not too small, around the size of the cardboard rectangle. Now put the cardboard rectangle with the 3 holes above the cut and take 3 paper fasteners. Attach the cardboard and paper plate with the paper fasteners. Step 6. Take your black construction paper and cut a hole in it. Step 7. Take your black circle and glue it onto the paper plate like shown. Step 8. Take cardboard strip and glue to the back of the paper plate. Let the cardboard strip and glue dry for about 3 minutes. Grab cardboard strip and glue on cardboard strip. Next, put metal fasteners on the end of the banjo in the holes punched. Also, put metal fasteners in the rectangle of the front of the banjo. Now, once that's all fastened in, we're going to grab our yarn. Everyone grab the yarn of your choice. Now wrap your yarn around one metal plate from the rectangle down to the metal plates in the strut. Continue down until you have all 4 strings set. Lastly, decorate your banjo how you please. All finished. Until next time, friends. Thank you for joining Miss Lynette on Craft Time. I hope you all enjoy your new little banjos. Until next time, bye-bye.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn a song about how to wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them till they're clean. Wash the backs and wash the fronts and the places in between. Don't forget your fingertips and between your finger and thumb. The more that we all wash our hands, the better for everyone. Good job. Let's do that again. Wash, wash, wash your hands many times a day. Wash them after bathrooming, after work or after play. Wash for 20 seconds or even longer if you please. Wash them before you cook or eat, and when you cough or sneeze. Good job. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them till they're clean. Bye-bye, virus. See you never.
Thank you. See you next time.